Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you all are doing good. So students, we have completed chapter number 3, subtraction. Now what is subtraction? Taking away from a number is called as subtraction. The bigger number is called as minuend and the number to be subtracted is called as subtrahend. And the answer is called as difference. Let's go through the mind map of this chapter. So students, in this chapter we have learnt about subtraction, concept of subtraction, subtraction of 3-digit and 4-digit number, types of subtraction without regrouping and with regrouping, and then estimation of subtraction, followed by properties of subtraction, in which we have covered subtracting 0 from a number, subtracting 1 from a number, subtracting a number from itself, and we have also seen subtraction in real life. So students, let's see an example of subtraction without regrouping of 3-digit number and 4-digit number respectively. 3-digit number 735 minus 212 and we get 523. We subtract from one side. 5 minus 2 is 3, 3 minus 1 is 2, 7 minus 2 is 5. Let's see an example of 4-digit number. 9687 minus 7564. 9687 minus 7564, starting from one side. 7 minus 4 is 3, 8 minus 6 is 2, 6 minus 5 is 1, 9 minus 7 is 2. So the answer is 2123. Okay students, now let's see an example of subtraction with regrouping of 3-digit and 4-digit number. 894 minus 238. So here we will be writing 894 minus 238. We will be borrowing from tens place because 4 is a smaller number in ones place. So now here it becomes 14 and here 1 is borrowed, so it becomes 8. So here we get 14 minus 8 is equals to 6, 8 minus 3 is equals to 5, 8 minus 2 is equals to 6. So the answer is 656. Now let's see an example of 4-digit number. 3784, 3784 minus 1526. So again here 4 is a smaller number. So we are borrowing from tens place and it becomes 14 here and here it becomes 7. So 14 minus 6 is 8, 7 minus 2 is 5, 7 minus 5 is 2, 3 minus 1 is 2. So 2258 is the difference. Okay students, now let's look into properties of subtraction. Subtracting 0 from a number. When we subtract 0 from a number, we get the number itself. 1687 minus 0. So we get 7 minus 0 is 7, 8 as such, 6 as such and 1 as such. So we get 1687. Second property, subtracting 1 from a number. So here 1687 minus 1. So we get a predecessor of the given number. 7 minus 1 is 6, 8 as such, 6 as such and 1 as such. So the answer is 1686, which is a predecessor of the given number 1687. Third property, subtracting a number from itself. When we subtract a number from itself, we get the difference as 0. For example, 1687 minus 1687, the difference will be 0. Okay students, now let's look into estimating the difference nearest tens. Example, 267 and 517. So 517, which is the greater number, is rounded up to 520 and 267 is rounded up to 270. So the difference is 250. Next, nearest hundredths. Example, 517 is rounded down to 500 and 267 is rounded up to 300. So, when we subtract, we get 200. So, the difference is 200. Let's see subtraction in real life. Example, out of 7,526 flats in a new colony, 3,839 flats are sold. How many flats are still unsold? Statements. Flats in a new colony is 7,526. Flats sold 3,839. When subtracted, 7,526 minus 3,839 gives 3,687. So, number of unsold flats is 3,687. So, students, what we have covered in this chapter number 3, subtraction. First, we have covered subtraction of 3-digit number and 4-digit number without regrouping and with regrouping, properties of subtraction and estimating the difference, subtraction in real life. Practice all the sums. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye.